Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'm taking you through the process of creating a special Raksha Bandhan themed digital artwork of Radha. I started by searching for a beautiful reference image on Pinterest and Pixabay. I looked for something divine, graceful and expressive. Something that truly captured the essence of Radha and Krishna. Once I found the right reference, I imported it into Infinite Painter. The app I'm using for this artwork, Infinite Painter, is one of my favorite tools for digital art because of its precision and simplicity. I began with tracing the basic structure, starting with Krishna, the flute, the crown, the peacock feather. I carefully built the outline. I wanted every line to reflect calmness and joy. After completing Krishna's structure, I moved on to Radha. I focused on her expressions, her posture, and the soft elegance she carries. I always feel a sense of peace while creating Radha's form. Then I started working on the jewelry and finer details, their ornaments, earrings, necklaces, and headpieces. I tried to keep everything symmetrical and spiritual, staying true to traditional style. As the drawing came to life, I began adding more depth using golden tones. I wanted the entire artwork to glow, almost like a divine aura around them. Now comes the Rakhi part, inspired by the idea of sacred bonding. I started designing Rakhi-style elements around the figure. Circular patterns, sacred threads, and decorative motifs came together to blend with the art. The concept here is unique, combining the unconditional love of Radha and Krishna with the sentiment of Raksha Bandhan, a bond that goes beyond blood, promise of protection, presence, and eternal support. I added the final highlights and shadows, polishing the art and enhancing the golden texture, both in the digital version and the hand-drawn footage. You can see the artwork taking its full form now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this piece touched your heart the way it touched mine while creating it. Wishing you a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more divine art journeys.
hand.